How to use Steam Family for beginners. So here, if we want to get a Steam Family in the first place, we are going to click on Steam in the top left corner, and then here we will click on Settings. Now we have to navigate to Interface, and then Client Beta Participation. If we click on No Beta Chosen, we will get the Steam Families beta here. So just click on it and it will tell us that it needs to restart Steam here. So that's what I'm going to do. Restart now. It's going to shut down Steam and it's going to reload it, and I'm going to show you how it looks. But before that, it's actually going to update our Steam client. So just give it some time here. Okay, I'm gonna come back in a second after this updates. Okay, well, after this awkward silence, it took a little bit of time to actually set up, but it's updated, and here's what we do now. We want to click on our profile name, and then we will go to account details here. And this time we will have a family management section. So if we click on it, then it will tell us some more information about it, how we can set up Steam families here. So it tells us that it allows us to share Steam games with up to five other household members and manage parental controls for children in the family. Family members can join a Steam family as either an adult or a child. So basically what's really important here, and what this doesn't tell you, is that if you join a family and you leave that family, you can't join another family for a year. Currently those are the settings, and that's really important to do or to take notice of, because you won't be able to join another family in a year if you leave. So here, like you are able to see, we will have join a family or create a family. If I click on create a family here, we will enter the name. So I'm going to do netfam, like so. Here I'm gonna create, and here we go. We have successfully created a family, and it says that I'm an adult here, and I can view my wish list, my profile, I can delete a family, so on and so forth. And basically what else can we do here? We can view the library here. So all of these games will be shared. Requests, so any request, purchase and access request here. If your child wants to play a game, they can request it here, as well as playtime here. So if you monitor your child's playtime, you can find it right here, and the history of this whole family. So if we want to invite someone, we'll click on invite a member, and we can search friends list, or we can just click on that, and here we will be able to see our friends list. And as you can see, it says that we have 1 out of 6 full spots. So that's what basically family management is, or the family setting. It's better than the previous one. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.